Hi guys, today I'm going to explain to you how to do the Lacy bun slash ponytail adapter. To make this Lacy adapter you will need the following supplies: one elastic hair bobble, 100% cotton Aran yarn, 3.5mm hook, stitch marker, needle and scissors. Oh, and 2 buttons. There you go. So if you print off the written pattern or view it on your mobile device, whatever you do to read your PDFs, you can crochet along with a pattern with you to show you how, and then you'll get the confidence then to follow written patterns in the future. Okay, let's get started. So move all this out the way. So you'll need your elastic hair tie. This is quite a thick, strong one. And you will need your cotton Aran yarn. So I just pull off some yarn there. So now you can attach the yarn to your bobble in 2 ways. You can either just put it on and tie it, leaving enough of a tail for you to weave in later, or you can use the slip knot, where you would put your hook through the elastic and then just slip stitch it on. Okay, so that's up to you, whichever way you find more comfortable. I do work 1 or 2 stitches around the tail, but not too many, because then you can just weave it through the lacy chains when you're done. So here we go. I'll follow along with the pattern with you. So it says the stitches used are a UK terminology: slip stitch, double crochet and chain. Obviously slip stitch in the US is slip stitch, double crochet in the US is a treble crochet, and a chain is obviously a chain. So there you go. So round 1, it says round 1, make 40 double crochet stitches around the elastic and join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. So here we go. So 1, 2, move my tail out of the way now, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can be a bit fiddly, but you'll get there. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So keep going now until you've got 40. I won't count them all out for you. So when you start running it around, just gently slide them across to make more room for the stitches. So that should be 40. that's 40. So now it says to join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. So there you go, into this one here, and join with a slip stitch. Okay. Right, let's get some more wool out here. Right, so it says now round 2, chain 3, skip a stitch, double crochet in the next. So chain 3, skip a stitch, double crochet in the next. Okay. Repeat that all the way around. 1, 2, 3, skip a stitch, double crochet in the next. If I'm going too fast, then just pause the video so you can catch up. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip a stitch, double crochet in the next. Okay. Skip a stitch, double crochet. Skip a stitch, double crochet. So just keep doing that all the way around. Chain 3, skip a stitch, double crochet in the next. The stitches are bunched up a bit, and just pull them apart so you can see where you're going. The reason I did 40 double crochets around the elastic is so that when it stretches over the bun, it's not going to be, the elastic's not going to be too visible underneath. You will see a little bit, but it's better than having all gaps there, you know. Okay, so we're coming to the end, and it says after you, so you've got a slip stitch to the first stitch, sorry, so slip stitch, skip a slip stitch to that, and then it says after you have slip stitched to the first stitch of the round, slip stitch into the chain 3 space, so that's in here. Okay. Round 3, place a stitch marker in your slip stitch. Okay, that's my slip stitch. Okay. Chain 3 and double crochet in the next chain 3 space. Repeat this all the way around to the end. Slip stitch into your marked stitch. So, chain 3, double crochet in the next chain 3 space. So it's just in there. Chain 3, double crochet in the next chain 3 space. Chain 3, double crochet in the next chain 3 space. So you just do that all the way around until you get back to the beginning. I would say these adapters are more for personal use than actual donations to the hospitals and care homes and things. They are made out of cotton and do have the acrylic buttons, but I'd be afraid to get caught or things, you know, things that get trapped in them. It's up to the wearer really. It's, you know, wear it at your own discretion, I suppose. To the last one now. Chain 3 and you slip stitch. Take that out. Actually, you don't slip stitch to your marks, you slip stitch to this stitch here. So there you go, so you chain 1, cut your yarn with enough of a tail for you to weave it in, and then you would weave this in and out and through there. And as for your buttons, I normally put one this end because this is where you finished off and it'll be a bit bumpy, and then put one, so you'd sort of do it on one of the joins, do you see? So that's what I did when I connected this one. So then you just join it. To join it on, I would just cut another bit of yarn, enough to thread it through, and then just knot it on and weave your ends in. It'll be secure enough for what you need it for. So there you go. I hope that helps everyone. Thank you. Bye.